All right, let the games begin. My goal today is to get all the stuff out of this room and start moving my leather stuff in here. And that closet is full. All these drawers are full. Those drawers are full. Those drawers are full. And I think I can make it to the dump, get rid of this stuff, and get back and start moving my leather work in here. Like this. You know, what do I do with this? I'm not going to throw it away. And it is the King James Version. So I will keep this in my house. And it was printed in '67. So I'll keep that. But here we go. This has got something to do with, oh, what the hell is that weird group? God, Masons, that's what I'm talking about. I think this is Masons, something to do with the Masons. Yep. Supreme Council, blah, 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 Masons. And anybody studies the Masons? There's another one, I don't know if this is Morals, Doug, I guess it's the same book. Oh boy. I don't know what to do with these, to tell you the truth. If you know what to do with these, tell me. I'm going to hang on to them until I decide. But that's going home with me. There may come a time when they confiscate Bibles. It just seems like that's the way the country's going. And anyway, I'm getting there. I'll tell you what, this is a very well-made, solid piece of furniture. It looks like particle board, but it's solid wood. Everything, even the drawer is a dovetail box. You know, it's really well made. So I'm going to use this as my stamping. I'm going to put my big chunk of flat granite there, and I'm going to move this in this corner. And that is the same furniture, really well made, solid wood. I'll move it down here beside it, and I'll put my stamps on it and stuff like that. And this has got shelves. I'll be able to use this. That's just a crappy particle board TV stand. I'll throw that away. And an ancient TV. I'm getting there. Now I gotta. Oh, well, good deal. A lot of this is gone out of here. It was full the last time I looked. So, well, that's really good then, because, oh, I know where that goes. I just found something that I think this goes with it. And, okay. Well, good. I'm way ahead of myself here. I'm going to get my stuff moved in here today. All right, I'm going to finish emptying. I got all them drawers there to empty out and that TV to get rid of. And I can start moving my stuff in here. Oh, and that's catalogs, tool catalogs, but they're ancient. And this is some dollar store floor planks. That's what this floor is. So I'm just going to hang on to them because I may need them. Another part of this here, and I have no idea, Daughters of Liberty. And this was signed the 28th day of June, 1920. And notarized. Well, not a notarized. It had this, whoever these people are, it had their stamp on it. And it's just codes of conduct and stuff like that. Very odd. But I'm going to hang on to that too until I figure out what to do with it. who knows, maybe there's a collector of this kind of stuff or someone who studies these organizations. And another one. Boy, this is worn, huh? December. It was given to Estelle on December 25th, 1956. And James. For if there come unto your assembly a man with a gold ring and goodly apparel, and there comes in also a poor man and vile raiment, and ye have respect to him that weareth the gay clothing, and say unto him, Sit thou here in a good place, and say to the poor, Stand thou there, or sit here under my stool, are ye not then partial in yourselves, and are become judges of evil thoughts? Okay. To the house. I just can't bring myself to throw away a Bible. I mean, I have a bunch of Bibles. What do you do with Bibles? I'm not going to throw it away, just like I wouldn't throw a flag away. Anyway, next drawer. Okay, this looks interesting. Well, that's interesting. But I found something also interesting. A 3-piece chicken dinner. Ha, ha, ha. It's on a stripper clip, so, and they are live. I want to pull one out and see what caliber this is. 30-30. Wonder what that went to. Oh well. Onward and upward. A few more things. Nothing interesting. I'm done. I'm done in here. Now I gotta take a trip to the dump and start moving my stuff in. Oh, this TV. I'm throwing this TV away too. I'm looking for a value on this. If anybody's ever seen anything like this, the mirror adds 120 pounds. If you've seen anything like this, could you steer me in that direction? I'm just curious what a value would be. It comes with this stool. I've looked on the back and I do not see a name, but I'll give you a close. It's got this like mold on it, but it comes off. And I think it might have a little value. Let me show you the stool. There's the stool. And I've looked at that. There's nothing, no writing on that, no name or nothing. So if anybody can steer me in the direction of where to find a value for that, I'd appreciate it. But in the meantime, let me show you what I've got in the leather working room. Oh, this here is going in the leather working room. Not the microwave, but the cabinet for storage. That little shelf thing here is going in the closet for storage. And Bev wants that. Okay, I got everything out of here, and I got the furniture moved around, and that's what we're looking like. I have plenty of room for storage and leather and dies and stamps and all that. And this is just going to be the room I use. I'm putting that shelf in there. I'll probably put that other cabinet right here somewhere. And I have a big table that I'm probably going to put in front of these windows. I haven't decided yet. I'm going to have plenty of room in here to do leather work. And I'm going to try not to mess up the living room and bathroom. You know, never say never. I say I don't want any neighbors, but if there was somebody that had a tragedy befall them, like a tornado or a fire, I couldn't say no to letting somebody use a perfectly good mobile home until they got back on their feet. So anyway, I came over here to bring this to Bev's, but my tire is flat on my dolly. So, and tomorrow's doctor and shopping day. So tomorrow's a wash. So what is today? Wednesday. So I'll be back out here Friday. Okay, I'm just gonna upload this, and if anybody can steer me in the direction of a value on that, I don't even know what to call it, a vanity, desk, dresser, a little bit of both. Oh, I didn't mention, this is maybe some of y'all remember many years ago, 5, almost 6 years ago, maybe it's not quite that long. I came over here, Jim, Bev's husband, Jim. Jim was my friend for many, many years. Passed away. He was killed in a truck wreck, hit head on by a Frac Tech truck. Killed him instantly. Anyway, I came over here to get his vise off his bench, and I put it in my shop. And I still have it. I brought it with me. It will be back over. Actually, it's in the garage right now. Anyway, this furniture, this and that and this chair were Jim's when he was a little boy. So, you know, I have been talking a lot about the things we leave behind and the memories. And, you know, every time I come in here or use this or open a drawer or hammer on a piece of leather, think about Jim.